Hi, we are starting lesson 18 today, and it's all about the k sound. So it's called K is special. So on page 97 in your spellography book, you will see our word list for the week. I'm going to read them. You can follow along in your spellography book, or you can just look at them with me during this video. So all of our words have the k sound in them. We have shock, blank, soak, smoke, thankful, stuck, strike, struck, break, leaking, package, clicked, reckless, flake, reeking, briskly, stricken, blanket, streaked, earthquake, meekly, thankless, courage, wreckage. So you'll notice that the k sound appears in many different places in these words. It can appear at the end of the word. It can appear in the middle of the word, but the end of a syllable. It can be at the beginning of a word, like in courage or clicked. You hear the k sound. So I want to review the k sound in different types of words. Sometimes the k sound is spelled CK. And it's spelled CK after a short vowel. And it can be in the middle of a word or the end of a word. So examples of that would be ticket. Here's an example. So this is 2 syllables, tick-et, and this I is short. It could also be in the word lack, for example, lack, and that's short there. So when you have a short vowel syllable, it's often CK. Sometimes you have a consonant K sound. And when it's a consonant K sound, you use K. And by consonant K, I mean something like dark or bank. And I have a consonant before that K sound, meaning I do not need a CK. I can just use K. I can also just use the plain letter K if it comes after a long vowel or a long vowel team. So I can also just use K, when it's a word like, for example. That is long, and to make it long, I need a silent E at the end. But I can also have it in words like soak. That's a long O sound, so I just need the K. So basically, you need CK when it's following a short vowel sound, directly following the short vowel sound. And you need K if it's following a consonant or a long vowel sound, single letter or team. So here's what you're going to do today with that information. You're going to work on page 98, first of all. And the words we just went over are right here, or the rules we just went over are right there. And you're going to do exercise 2. And it says fill in the blank with K or CK. Then in the second blank, give the number of the rule listed up here, boop, that you used for the spelling. So I'm going to start us off. I'm going to do the first 3, and you guys can do this with me. We're on page 98. If you need to pause it and go get your book, please do. Okay, the first one. Is it going to be pluck or pluck to make a real word? It's going to be pluck. So that's going to be a short U. So I need CK, and that's going to be rule 1 up there. Okay, next one. The word is spark. So if I put a K there, because it's coming after the R, it's not, the K doesn't come after a vowel. So that's going to be rule 2. The third one, leak. It's not leck, it's leak. And that's going to be a vowel team, a long vowel team. So it's rule 3. So you're going to do that for all of these words on page 98. The second thing you're going to do after you finish page 98 is you're going to do page 99. And this is important. I do not want you to use and do everything on this page. So at the top, it says, sort this lesson's study words among the 4 groups below based on the spelling pattern of the k sound. That's literally all I want to do. I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to do this. And I don't want you to do this. Some words will not be used. I'm going to tell you how many are going to appear in each category so that you know. In the first category, there are 8. You can go ahead and write that above it. There are 5 in all the other ones. You also do not need to do exercise 3B. All you need to do is sort the words that you can. And then at the bottom, you don't need to do anything. You will notice that we do not use every single word because 15 plus 8 is 23. There is one word that you do not use, and that is courage. So you can go ahead and cross that out. Okay, so to recap, you are going to do pages 98 and 99 in your spellography book. And then I will post the answers for you to check your work tomorrow. Good luck.